Come here.
Excuse me, Bill. Bill Dotree?
Wow. So, Charlene, I understand you're new to town?
Actually, I lived in Arlen during my 20s, but I moved around a lot and haven't been back until now.
I don't know what we did without you.
I'm thrilled to be back. And I think my kids should be happy here.
You have kids?
Oh.
Wow. Charlene's smart, beautiful, and she has kids.
What?
How did I get so lucky?
You got lucky because she has kids. You can get quite a bargain if you're willing to date a single mom.
Shit, man, you talking about a dang old, like a slightly used merchandise, man.
I'll paint their rooms like different fairy tales. And every night at bedtime, I'll wander in like a different creature from the forest.
85 channels at home, and none of them beats watching Hank use a crescent wrench.
Hi, I'm looking for 122 Milk.
Good, Papa. You got it. You got it finished for you. You did that,
Across
Marion.
the alley. So you must be Charlene.
Yes, and these are my kids.